Zen Sparrow has brought a beautiful curation of 7 brands at Beyond Gallery. और collection में क्या क्या है? They have beautiful handmade jewelry, some beautiful vintage and Kachi Bharat work chanya choli, some Rakhi gifting hampers, some beautiful jewelry, some festive wear, some western wear also. और collection में क्या क्या है देखने के लिए you know what to do, swipe left. This is brand Zen Sparrow. Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
Hi. So we have a Navratri collection for 3 days. So આપણી પાસે આ ટાઈપનો collection છે. See this. All are in Kachi and vintage. આપણે મોસ્ટલી કચ્છી અને vintage ટ્રેડિશનલ લુકમાં વધારે પ્લે કરીએ છીએ.
Look at that.
જેને બી ડિફરન્ટ હોય તો એના માટે સિમ્પલ બી છે. See this skirt and something like this.
Beautiful.
We have long blouses જે મેં પહેર્યું છે.
Lovely. Look at that.
This is the back. So we have 200-300 plus blouses.
Okay. Okay.
This is the back.
Okay.
Again, we have different kind of. We have this shaded chanyas as well. We have every color.
Absolutely.
Yes. We
All
have
very, very
chanya. We have vintage
Navratri
chanya.
friendly. Look
We
at
have
that.
white chanya. We have
Beautiful.
orange color as well. We have this range of blouses. See
Lovely.
this. There's a sleeveless blouses we have. See this.
Something in spaghetti, sleeveless,
as
lovely
well.
blouses.
Yes.
Look
See
at
this
that.
back. This is the front. This
कुछ कच्ची वर्क में है, कुछ विंटेज में
vintage
है.
mein hai. We have all the different colors. We have some plain silk as well.
Okay.
Then a plain george. We have 3-4 sleeves blouses as well.
Lovely.
Yes.
Look at all the varieties.
Varieties. Yes. Blouses are like this. This is
Beautiful.
a bit different things. This all are chania. We have all the colors.
Look at that.
See this. This all are. We have some white collection as well.
Beautiful.
We have heavy collection. We have simple gachi collection as well. Shaded collection. And these all are dupattas.
Okay.
See this. We have heavy dupattas as well. We have vintage dupatta. This is our
Beautiful.
Dupattas.
A wide range of
Of
dupattas.
dupattas as
Yes,
well.
absolutely. This is brand Urban Ethnicity and look at all the beautiful handmade jewelry. Hello, ma'am.
Hi all, hello Ahmedabadis. So we have exclusive range for Navratri and Raksha Bandhan. See handcrafted haslis we have, and we have jewelry for everyone. We have kids bangles. You can check out a lot of varieties.
Right.
Okay. We have long necklaces which you can wear with festive wear.
Lovely.
We have mirror chokers.
Okay.
Yeah. We have very lightweight earrings. The main problem that no one wants to wear anything heavy. So our entire collection is very lightweight.
Right.
We have these thread chokers.
Look at that.
We
These are
have
all
these mirror
handmade
chokers.
again.
Yes, everything is handmade and we don't repeat our any design. We have a wide range of earrings which
Look
can be
at
worn during Navratri, Rakhi, Diwali. So it is a one-time investment and all the color is in multicolors. You can see all the designs. So one piece can be worn with a lot of garments.
This is brand Cardinals. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, we'll today showcase some festive outfits.
Okay.
We have 3-piece as well as 2-piece sets. We have some 3-piece sets like this. We have some sets like this. We have something on crushed tissue
Okay.
with handwork.
Okay.
Now we come to some 2-piece sets. In 2-piece sets, dupattas can be customized. We have something like this.
Beautiful.
Something like
Look at
this with
that.
color block sleeves. Something like this with patchwork hand embroidery.
Lovely.
We have something like this. And kurta sets like this. Sizes, color options and dupatta can be customized.
Alright.
Coming to other things, we have bandhani cord sets like this.
Very pretty.
We have some marudi work dresses like this.
Yes.
We
Look
have
at that.
some dresses with sleeve embroidery in it.
Beautiful.
We have color options in this as well. We have kurta sets like this.
This is brand Ark by Rajal Patel. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. So we are here today with our Rakhi collection.
Okay.
We have many options for sisters and bhai hampers.
Lovely.
Then we have some of the home decor products as well.
So they have beautiful home decor items. Okay.
Yeah. So for Rakhi we have like bhai and bhabi lumba kind of collections. Then individual Rakhis are also available. There's a lot
Alright.
more collection for Evil Eye. Then there are bracelet for kids. And we have some amazing Hamza hand car hangings as well.
Wow,
Then there's Evil Eye hangings.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely. Look at all the Rakhi options that they have. Something for children, something for bhai bhabhi, hangings for the car, and something very pretty like that. Just look at that.
Yeah, those are the lombas basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was brand Ark by Rajul Patel. This is brand Swarna Akriti. Hello ma'am.
हाय आज हम लोग बियॉन्ड गैलरी में कुछ ऐसे फेस्टिव्स वेयर लेकर आए समथिंग न्यू समथिंग इन कच्ची ऑल्सो
Okay.
आपको कुर्ता सेट्स चाहिए गाउन चाहिए कुछ भी आपको कस्टमाइज करवाना हो कलर कस्टमाइज करवाना हो वो भी पॉसिबल है
Okay.
प्लस साइज एक्सक्लूसिव है हमारे पास रेडी में 42 टू 44 बस की साइज रहेगी
Okay.
और उसके ऊपर भी आपको करवाना है तो वो भी पॉसिबल है
Lovely.
सी हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे ड्रेसेस भी है कॉट सेट्स है हमारे पास जो आप घूमने जा रहे हो कहीं पे जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे भी आप पहन सकते हो
Lovely. Look at that.
समथिंग इन वन शोल्डर इन लिनन सिल्क फैब्रिक
Okay.
समथिंग अगेन इन टाई डाई ये सारा हमारा नेचुरली डाइड प्रोसेस हमने बनाया हुआ है सो नो केमिकल्स और आपकी स्किन पर बिल्कुल भी हार्मफुल नहीं होगा सो यू कैन इजीली वेयर ऑल द डे
This is brand Shah's exclusive અને એમની આ બધી જ્વેલરી જે છે એ બ્રાસ પર સિલ્વર કોટેડ છે અને બધી જ પેટર્ન્સ આર વન ઓફ અ કાઇન્ડ સો યુ વોન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ અ ડિફરન્ટ પીસ એનીવેર એલ્સ ઇયરિંગ્સ થી લઈને નેકલેસીસ બ્યુટિફુલ જ્વેલરી લુક એટ ધેટ એન્ડ સમથિંગ દેટ મેમ ઇઝ વેરિંગ વેરી પ્રિટી ઓલ્સો એમની પાસે જેમસ્ટોન્સમાં પણ કલેક્શન છે bracelets and રાખી નું collection છે then something like this gifting purpose માટે perfect look at that beautiful silver along with gemstones અને બીજું એમની પાસે આ પણ collection છે something in some statement pieces brides માટે siders માટે for small occasions even festive wear gifting purpose this is Shah's exclusive beautiful range. Hello ma'am.
Hi, so my brand name is Santu. We have festive wear in Mal Chanderi.
Okay.
These are all suit sets. You have options with dupatta and without dupatta.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Then I will show you. We have one pieces as well.
One pieces में भी options हैं.
We have hand embroidered shorts.
Okay.
We have ajrak shorts.
All right.
Patchwork.
Very classy. You can wear these over linen
More ajrak
pants.
shorts.
Look at that. Very
And
pretty.
we have cotton dresses.
Okay. A lot of options. Look at that.
And for your
Beautiful.
daily wear,
Hmm.
something with handwork.
Okay. All right.
And then you can come here and check the collection.
All right.
Coming to some cotton dresses, we have some patchwork dresses like this. We have again some patchwork dresses like this. We have offers on cottons.
Okay.
We have some ombre dresses like this.
Lovely.
We have some hand embroidered dresses like this. Then we have some hand painted dresses like this.
Wow.
We have 10% off on everything. We have ombre dresses like this.
Look at that.
We
Beautiful.
have some cord sets also. This is our best selling cord set. It has
Okay.
embroidered pants as well.
Okay.
Then we have hand painted cord set as well.
Lovely. Look at that.